In this video, I will guide you for the steps to create API key on the OpenAI Playground. This API key is mandatorily required if you want to integrate OpenAI APIs into your application. So to create the API key, first you need to open up the OpenAI Playground by going to this particular URL, which is platform.openai.com/playground. And in order to access this playground, you will have to log in using the credentials. You can use the same credentials which you are using for ChatGPT. It is totally up to you which credentials do you want to use. Now once login is successful, you will land on this homepage of OpenAI Playground and it will look something like this. Now you need to go to the left panel and you need to click on this API keys. From this page you can create any new API key and you can create as many keys as you want. There is one very important thing to keep in mind, that after creating the API key, the key will be shown only once. So it's better to copy that key and keep that in a safe place. Here also it is written that we do not display your secret API keys again after you generate them. So now to create the key, you have to click on this button, create new secret key. Once you click on this button, this type of pop-up will come up where we will give the name of this API key. This naming is very useful in case you are working on multiple projects and for each of the project if you want to keep a separate key. I will give the name as demo1 API key. Now I will click on create secret key here. Now this is our API key which I will copy and paste it in a safe place. Once I have kept the key, I will click on done here. The API key creation process is completed now. Now I will quickly guide you for the deletion steps also. So for that I will create one more key here because the deletion is not allowed if there is only one key present. I will again click on this create new secret key and I will name this as demo2 API key here. I will click on this create secret key. Our second key is also created now. I will copy this key as well and keep this in a safe place. I will click on done here. Now to delete the key, I will click on this delete icon. Now I will say revoke key. So the key is deleted now. I hope now you know that the API key creation and the deletion is so much easy. Do hit the like button if you found the video useful. Also please consider subscribing the channel for such videos. That's all for this video. I will see you in some other video. Till then, stay safe, keep learning and keep supporting.